Hello, today I'm going to tell you the top 5 common mistakes of small YouTubers. Your channel will grow in no time if you avoid doing these things. So, let's get started. Number 1. Creating videos that nobody cares about. I put this on the first list to emphasize the importance of avoiding this mistake. When you started your channel from scratch, you should know that nobody knows about you. Even you post a video of how you earned $10,000 in 1 week. Nobody will notice you if you have low amount of subscribers. Don't start your content with 10 facts about me, because no one cares about you if you only have 150 subscribers, unless you are very popular outside YouTube and everybody want to know about you. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. In line with that, you should create a video that most of the people will watch. To do that, search the kind of video that you wanted to create based on your niche. For example, you wanted to upload an automation tutorial. Just search automation tutorials and sort the videos by view count on this week or on this month. Look at the content that gets so much attention and try to make similar video based on that content. And remember to use the same keyword they've used on their title, so your video gets recommended to more audience. Number 2. Wrong YouTube intro. Most of the small YouTubers doesn't care about it. If you want viewers' retention, the first 10 seconds of your video is the key. Look at this video of Mr. Beast explaining how you should start your YouTube intro.
If you're putting 1,000,000 Orbeez in a pool, don't start the video with you shopping for, your mom's birthday present. At the beginning of the video, just say, we're gonna put 1,000,000 Orbeez in this pool. And then that right there.
If you are a gamer, you should start your video with the most intense 1 vs 4 situation. If you making a content about beautiful beach vlog, start your video with beautiful shot of that beach and include a question that you found something. In that 10 seconds intro, you can make your viewers confused on what is that video all about and make them watch the entire video. Number 3. Starting without doing research. I know most of the people nowadays does YouTube to earn money, and starting a channel without having proper knowledge about YouTube is a big mistake. They just keep uploading any kind of content without knowing how YouTube algorithm work, and expecting people to watch it then fails. That's why I'm here to help you through our YouTube journey. Also, most of the new YouTubers don't even read the community guidelines and policies that cause them copyright strike or reused content. Those are the things that you might avoid if you do the research before starting on YouTube. If you haven't read the community guidelines and policies, I'll put the link below. Number 4. Never focusing on one niche. This is the one of the most often reason why small YouTubers fail. When you started on YouTube, you need to focus on one niche. You may see people uploading top 10 basketball moves today, then uploading most cartoon video the next day, and then uploading most popular songs the next week. That is very wrong. You may see big YouTubers out there. They are all focusing on one niche. It's either cartoons, vlogs, technology, entertainment, or any other type of content that you may think of. Their success is because they focus on one perfect niche for them. Just look at this top 5 channel on YouTube. Their channel name is Expert 101. They could be uploading repair TV, repair radio, or repair car. But no, they only upload repair SD card videos on their channel, because focusing on one niche has a great effect of YouTubers' success. Number 5. Not uploading video in a consistent schedule. You need to have a schedule for it. It is better to upload 1 video per week in a range of 10 weeks than uploading 10 videos in 1 day and not uploading for the next 10 weeks. Schedule your upload even if you're uploading once a week, twice a week, or daily. The more you upload good videos, the better the result is. That's all for today. If you liked this video, you better smash that subscribe button or I'll take your cat. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.